In the following Getting Savvy series, we will learn about utilizing SAP EWM to perform external depot daily operations. SAP, Systems, Applications, and Products and Data Processing, is the software we currently use for almost everything at Bob's. EWM stands for Extended Warehouse Management System and is a program from SAP that is replacing the program Red Prairie. We have developed the following developmental series to assist our carrier partners. In the morning operations video, we will learn how to systematically unload a trailer, stage pieces, identify hot pieces, and how to use the delivery dashboard to confirm all pieces were scanned properly. In the evening operations video, we will learn about proper truck release procedures, how to handle returning pieces, and how to print manifests. In the exceptions video, we will learn how to handle exception situations like deliveries that were canceled, pieces that are damaged, and how to use an RF gun to scan pieces to their staging or transit bins. To access EWM, we need to log in. We can start by double-clicking the SAP Logon icon on our desktop. This will bring up the System Connection menu, and within this menu we will see EW1, which is the EWM Production System. After we double-click on this option, a login screen will pop up. You will notice as you log in, the asterisks in the password box do not go away as we type into this field, so we want to be mindful when typing in our password to avoid getting locked out. Once we're logged in, we can now see the transaction menu. Transactions in EWM are tools that we will use to systematically operate. The tasks we are trying to perform will dictate what transaction we use. For example, if we wanted to run a report to review TDM codes, we would use the Problem Delivery Report transaction. If we needed to print a manifest, we would use the Manifest Report transaction, and so on. To enter a transaction, we just double-click on it. If we find ourselves in a transaction and need to go back to the main screen, we can go to the top of the screen and select the green arrow, which typically will bring us back one screen, the yellow arrow, which will typically bring us back to the main screen, and the red arrow is typically exit the transaction or exit EW1, depending on what we're doing. Depending on the transaction, we might need to use a variant. A variant is like a filter that has been set up so that only specific information will pull for the report or task. We may come across situations where we also need to use a layout, which is a view that has been set up so that specific information can easily be seen. EWM is fantastic for tracking pieces throughout the shipping and delivering process. For every movement of a piece, that piece is scanned by a user with an RF gun to a systematic bin. When a piece is loaded onto the transfer trailer to go to the depot, it's scanned to that trailer. When the piece arrives at the depot, it's scanned to its staging bin, then later it's scanned to the delivery truck. This gives Bob's and our carrier partners better visibility on piece movement. Shipping labels contain the most pertinent information about a piece. On the shipping label, we can view the handling unit, which is a unique number assigned to each piece, the EWM DELDOC number, and the ERP DELDOC. We can also see special indicators. For example, this is a hot piece, and the B2 indicates that this is a second attempt Bobtastic drop-off. We can also see the distribution center the piece came from, the SKU, or the article number, product description, and the customer name. We can also see the truck and stop this piece belongs to, the total amount of pieces for this stop, and how many pieces this specific carton contains. We hope you're ready to get savvy with SAP EWM, and on behalf of BDF Support, thank you for watching.